We knew a number of expeditions had failed on it, so we knew it was hard.
Void is an extraordinary story of person's courage and ability to survive in difficult situations. Many people have enjoyed this book, not just for climbing, and it's also for a really good story.
We just lost control.
Joe Simpson was born on 13 August in 1906. Becoming a climber was his childhood dream. He was a tall, brilliant man. He became a successful writer after the terrible accident on Silver Grain, Peruvian Alps.
I just felt it was best to get as far away as possible.
I was just convinced he was dead.
Joe Simpson at the beginning writes, "Life tends to go up and down. When you're at the top, you always know that you could go screaming back down."
I knew it had been cut.
Joe thought for a long time about good title for his book. At first, he wrote down ordinary words like loneliness, fear and pain. Finally, he chose void, because it suggests terrible loss and emptiness, as well as sense of being completely alone.
Was born in England. He was tall and strong with eyes and long hair. He was the kind of friend that you can depend on. He laughed a lot and to laugh as a joke.
I thought, this is it. This is as far as...
Richard Hawking, Simon and Joy had met Richard in a bar in a hotel in Lima. He had traveled all over the world. He was interested in seeing the ants.
We did many activities about the book. Many words about the geography.
Such as Galilee, Tunnel, Crevice, Cave, etc.
So we decided to do the diorama of the mountain. And this one.
Like the light of a new day, it hit me from